Bigg Boss 10 Weekend Ka War came up with a lot of twists and turns, as lot of things happened in the Bigg Boss house. Lopamudra became the captain of the house. She punished Om Swami and Priyanka by sending them to jail and made Bani follow her while holding the "I'm sorry" placard. Lopa reveals that she feels uncomfortable while talking to Om Swami, as he never looks in her eye while talking. The surprising thing was Manveer and Manu taking Om Swami's side. Om Swami refused to eat anything until Lopa apologized to him, and she refused to do so. Om Swami's stealing was again revealed in front of the contestants. Salman also showed condolence to Manu's mother, as he advised him that he took the right decision of coming back to the house, as it will distract him. Salman shows a cute message of Bani's sister to Bani. It created an emotional scene in the house. This week, Khalnayak was Gaurav Chopra, as Priyanka reveals that he was the mastermind behind this week's nomination, but he came out clean. After so much drama, tensions and accusations between the contestants, actors from the Colors TV show made an appearance on the Weekend Ka War special to entertain the contestants and the audience. Karanveer Bora, Ada Khan, Rubina Dilak stage a play with Bani playing a Sanskari Bahu, Lopamudra, the other woman, Gaurav as the hero, and Om Swami as the Tantrik. Karanveer brings in a change in Swami's style by making him wear his jacket. Further, Manu, Manveer and Rohan are given a task of making a bouquet, and whoever is able to collect the maximum number of roses goes for a date with one of the actresses. Rohan wins the task, but after the task, Priyanka and Lopa have a fight, and the actors pacify the two. Manveer tells Karanveer that Nitiba was feeling bad as she didn't get participated in any of the tasks, and Nitiba along with Mona dances with the entire Colors team. Later, the actor from the Colors family, Suraj and Soumya, make a dhamakedar entry by dancing to the Kala Chashma song. Moni Roy further sets the stage on fire as she grooves to the Baby Ko Bes Pasand Hai song, along with the mega star and the show host Salman Khan. He asks them about their experience of visiting the Bigg Boss house and interacting with the housemates. Karanveer tells Salman that they had a wonderful time inside the house, especially with Om's antics. Salman introduces an interesting balloon task, wherein one selected contestant is required to sit on the chamber placed in the activity area, while the other contestants answer the question thrown at them by showing placard of yes or no. The contestants receiving the maximum yes or no water balloons will be dropped from the chamber. The housemates choose Gaurav to perform the task. Whether Gaurav and Bani's friendship is of convenience. Except for Rahul and Rohan, all the other contestants express agreement by showing yes placards. Further, Priyanka has to answer some tough questions like whether she is jealous of M3, that is, Manu, Manveer and Mona, and whether she influences Manveer. The shocking thing was the eviction, as everyone expected Nitiba to get evicted, but Rahul got evicted, and everyone was stunned. Manveer appreciated Nitiba and tells that she has left celebrities behind by not getting evicted and she should be proud. Later, Rahul interacts with Salman, wherein the former tells the host that he had expected to spend 5 weeks in the house, but it got extended to 9. But you were the quietest person in the house, which is so very difficult. I wonder how you could control yourself, Salman tells Rahul. After showing some of his interesting footage in the house, Salman asks Rahul how the two children, meaning Lopa and Rohan, he left behind, cope without him. Both Lopa and Rohan would often turn to Rahul for advice whenever they were caught in a spot. Talking about them, Rahul says that Lopa was fearless, whereas Rohan was a mature and understanding boy. On Monday night's episode, there will be a lot of tension in the house when the contestants will watch some unseen footage. As a result, Manveer will verbally attack both Gaurav and Bani, while Mona will have a showdown with Gaurav. Mona will also get disturbed when she will see the clips of her fiancé, Vikrant Singh Rajput, when he had come to Salman ki sabha couple of weeks ago. Manu too will be seen getting furious over something, and thus many relationships will go under a change. For more information and updates, subscribe